guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Here we have this question on circle. It might look a bit complicated, but it is very, very easy. Just pay attention and watch me solve it. Okay, but before then, I'm going to read out the question to us. This is the diagram, and we have a circle C. Circle C, center T, and this is the equation. The circle C with center T and radius R has the equation x squared plus y squared minus 20x minus 16y plus 139 equal to 0. Now the line L has the equation x equal to 13 and crosses C at P and Q as shown. Find the coordinates of the center of C. I want to find the coordinates of the center of C. Of course, you know the coordinates of the center will be H and K. So we want to find the value of both H and K. 2. Show that R equal to 5. That's the radius. We have to show that radius equal to 5. And then finally, we are going to find the y coordinate of P. This is the y coordinate of P here. And then the y coordinate of Q. Probably we can call this y1, y2. Okay? So that is what we are going to. So we are going to find HK, R, and then y1 and y2. Okay? So that's just the whole summary of the exercise. So what we are going to do is to start with this equation that has been given. Okay? So I'm going to start with solution. Let me change to solution. We start with the equation x squared plus y squared minus 20x minus 16y plus 139 equal to 0. Now, we are going to use completing the square method. So what I'm going to do is to isolate the terms in x, the terms in y, and then the constant term. So I'm going to move this constant term to the right hand side. So this will move this way, and then I will bring together x squared minus 20x plus y squared minus 16y equal to minus 139. So I will complete the square of this and then complete the square of this. How do I complete the square? What I'm going to do is first I write down my x squared minus 20x. So to complete the square of this, I'm going to find half of the coefficient of x. The coefficient of x is minus 20. Half of that is minus 10, and then I will square it. So I will just add plus minus 10 squared to this. So I completed the square of that. Plus y squared minus 16y. So here, I also complete the square by finding half of the coefficient of y. Here the coefficient of y is minus 16, half of it is 8. And then I'll take square of that, minus 8 squared, equal to minus 139, plus, I'm now going to add these two terms that I added to the right. I'll also add it to the left, also add same to the left. So, add it to the right. So I have plus minus 10 squared plus minus 8 squared. So that's what we have here. So I'm going to erase this. So what I'm now going to do is that, so I will factorize this to give me x minus, I will take an x here, and then minus 10 all square plus, I will do the same thing here, take y and minus 8, y and minus 8, so that it resembles the standard form of the equation of the circle, okay? And then of course, I'm going to have to simplify this. I have minus 139, minus 10 squared is 100, and minus 8 squared is 64, okay? So here, I'm going to have x minus 10 squared plus y minus 8 squared equal to 1 minus 139 plus 164. I think that should be 25. So I have x minus 10 all squared plus y minus 8 all squared equal to 25. Now, if we compare this to the standard form, x minus 8 squared plus y minus k all squared equal to r squared. What we are going to notice is that h will be equal to 10 and then k will be equal to 8, because h will be comparable to this and then k will be comparable to that, right? Okay. Or you can say minus 8 equal to minus 10 and minus k equal to minus 8. So whichever way you do it, h will be equal to 10 and k will be equal to 8. So the center. So for the first part of the question, which is asking us to find the coordinates of the center C. So coordinate of center C is 10, 8. So that's for that. Then for the second part of the question, so I'm going to erase this. What are we asked to find? We're asked to find, we're asked to show that r equal to, we have to show that r equal to 5. Show that r equals to 5. This is easy. So if you compare these two equations, you will see that r squared will be equal to 25. Of course, r will be square root of 25. You cannot take the plus or minus, okay, because radius of the circle cannot be negative, okay? So we just simply take the positive square root, okay? So we have 5 units. So we've been able to show that r is equal to 5, okay? Now, to the last question. Don't forget, for the last question, we have to find the coordinates of P. The y coordinate of P and the y coordinate of Q. This is also easy. So I'm going to clean this part and then solve it below, okay? So we are going to go back to the, probably I should just, go back to that equation. What was the original equation? So for us to solve C, we go back to s squared plus, we can use that one or we simply use this, but let's use the first original equation. S squared plus y squared minus 20x minus 16y plus 139 equal to 0. So here we have it that to find the y, so we have it that x, okay, we can use this or this, or to make this easy, x minus 10 squared plus y minus 8 squared equal to 25, okay? We can use any of these two. So we are looking for y, okay? So we need to find the value of x has been given. We'll be told that x is 13. So if you put 13 there, don't forget that x is 13. So 13 minus 10 squared plus y minus 8 squared equal to 25. Okay? So this and this will give us 3 squared. 3 squared. So we have that here. We have, this is 13. 13 minus 10 is 3 squared plus y minus 8 squared equal to 25. Okay, so we have 3 squared is 9 plus y minus 8 squared equal to 25. So y minus 8 squared equal to 25 minus 9. So y minus 8 squared equal to 16. So what we now need to do here is to take the square root of both sides. Okay? But when you are taking the square root of 16, it has to be plus and minus, because we are having, the reason is simple. From that diagram that we had, so we have a low value, this is a P, and this is a Q. So we have to find the values of y. We have to find the two values of y. So definitely one value will be high and one value will be low. Okay, so that's why we have to put plus and minus. And for the fact that we are looking for two separate values, okay, so let me just erase that. And so we are going to have this, we do with this, we have y minus 8 equal to plus or minus 4. So it means that y1 will give us minus plus 8 plus 4, and then y2 will give us plus 8 minus 4. So y1 will give us 12, and y2 will give us 4. Therefore, the coordinate of P, coordinate of y at P is 12, and then the coordinate of y at Q is 4. So there you have it, the solution to the question. Please subscribe to my channel, like my video, and share it. And then of course give me comments in the comment section. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.